Oh. Okay, so I had the best idea, like literally 5 seconds ago. Wait, let me get my, yeah, okay. So the reason why I have my laptop. Also, if the lighting's a little weird, it's daytime. It's $3:53. Also, do you like my wallpaper? It says, "You look pretty today." I wanted to do a prank call video, right? Because I've already done one, but I want to do a better one and not with like feet pics or anything like that. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing prank calls, and I was watching a couple and I was like, what is one way to make it like interesting and not just like a random like regular prank call, like me like changing my voice or like playing something stupid or like acting, you know, acting out really weird. So I was like, I can use voice changer stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Just give me a second because my computer's being a little slow. Anyways, while the computer is loading up and I'm here filming, welcome to today's video. Just letting you guys know that it took me forever to do this makeup. Because I was just taking too long. I was being slow today. How long does it take for your laptop to open up and start running? Mine takes 7,000 years. How long does yours take? Now keep in mind that the people I'm calling are just numbers that I have in my contacts. So some of these people I don't really talk to on a daily basis, but I have their number. I got some of Donald Trump's best lines during his 2016 speech. I couldn't find like just clips of him like saying random words. I don't know why, but I just thought it'd be funny because I have a lot of friends that just hate Donald Trump, so I thought this would be perfect. So I'm gonna do my first caller, which is my friend Avery. Love you, Avery, don't beat me up. Just kidding. I forgot to do star 67. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wait.
I beat China all the time. When was the last time you saw a Chevrolet in Tokyo? When do we beat Mexico at the border? They're laughing at us. They're bringing drugs.
She just hung up. I can't. That was too funny. Okay, I'm gonna do my friend Brianna. Instead of Donald Trump, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna do the classic get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper!
Why is this so funny? She always has a different area code than everybody else. 6049. Okay.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Brianna Schiller.
Why would you not? No, I swear. You're gonna pick up Brianna.
Your call has been forwarded.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna do Cade. I highly doubt he's gonna pick up because he never picks up with random numbers. It's worth a try.
Hi, it's me.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
Okay, for anyone wondering why he answered like that, he's like the camp director at the YMCA, so it could either be like parents or someone that works with him, so I'm not sorry for that. I love you, Cade. Oh my god. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my friend Caleb. I feel like I'm choking. Why? He better pick up. I know he ain't doing nothing. Does he actually have his voicemail set up? I'm curious. Okay, I'm gonna call Dominic because I don't think he's doing anything right now. If he's not, this is perfect because then he'll pick up. I've done it to him before and he picks up, so. Why not?
This is Dominic Graham. Sorry I missed your call, but please leave a message and I'll be sure to give a call back. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished
I'm
recording,
gonna leave it
you
as a
may hang up
voicemail.
or press 1 for more options.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
If you're satisfied with the message, press 1. To send your message with normal delivery, press 1. To send your message with urgent delivery, press 2. Thank you. Your message has been sent.
Perfect. I wanted it to send urgent. Now, usually my sister, like, me and my sister love bothering our grandparents when it comes to this kind of stuff because they don't speak English. So I'm gonna try my grandpa. So I'm gonna do it anyway.
Call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
I'm not leaving a voicemail. My camera was getting hot. I had to give it a second. Okay, so I'm gonna try and prank call my friend Jaquez because he usually picks up. Just cause I guess he has nothing else better to do with himself. But it's not.
Hey, yo, you got your boy, Jaquez. You know, you at the phone, leave the number and, you know, the date. And I don't know your name, maybe, and I'll drop you off a call when I get back, okay? All right? Big ups, my guy.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Run! Go! Get to the chopper!
If you are satisfied with your message, press 1. To send your message with normal delivery, press 1. To send your message with urgent delivery, press 2. Thank you. Your message has been sent. Goodbye.
I'm gonna change this. Now I'm gonna do like different sounds. So I'm gonna do like fart noises. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay. Who else should I do? Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna do my other friend Caleb. I know like 3 Calebs. It's just one of those basic names. Never mind, I guess his number changed. Ooh, I could do my friend Nate. I'm sure he's not doing anything. Since the last prank call video I've done, most of my contacts have not changed, so a lot of these are just the same, but it doesn't matter. I'm not popular like that.
Hello? Hello?
He just hung up. Wow. I am so dead. Okay. So, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Okay, it's not a secret, but both my parents are here and my dad's here. And me and my sister always prank call my dad. So I'm gonna do my dad. He's over there in their room. My mom's in the living room, so no one knows. But I'm gonna prank call my dad. I've done it plenty of times. It's so successful. He's so like gullible, so I can do it. So I'm gonna do it. He's probably gonna think it's my sister, but I don't really care. It's me. He always picks up too.
That's funny. It's like,
Oh my god, I'm sweating. Wait till I tell my sister. She's gonna die. Okay, so I definitely have to bleep that out when I future me when I edit. Bleep it out, please. Okay, I'm gonna do my sister. I told her about it earlier, but I hope she doesn't remember. But I hope she picks up anyway. I bet you my dad's gonna come out and tell my mom, someone called me and there was just a bunch of fart noises. I like the voices, but I think the farting is just so much funnier, so scratch that. We're gonna change the title. I hope she picks up.
Eight, one.
Okay, I guess not. I'm gonna prank call my other friend Caleb. I think Kate's at work. Is that why you picked up? Oops. If they're at work. I'm sorry, I didn't think about this. Now I'm hoping he doesn't pick up. Okay, I can't. I can't. I literally think they're at work because they work together, so. I'm gonna do my friend Shamira. I did her in the previous foot toe pick prank calling video I did. So I hope she picks up. That was a really loud ring.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye. I would call one of the people that I used to work with, but I don't know. Should I? Ooh, I have Tristan's number. A lot of these numbers are just people that I used to go to school with. So. I hope he picks up.
Your call has been forwarded to an...
Why is no one picking up? I know y'all aren't doing anything. I'm gonna try Deshaun. Because he is super gullible, but I don't know what he's doing. He's been overseas. He's in the I love when they just pick up and then they just hang up so fast. Okay, I'm gonna try my friend Austin. I think this is like the last one I'm gonna try. Yeah, he is not doing anything, so he should pick up.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
Nuh-uh. There's no way. I've texted him on that number. Okay, I'm gonna do this on my friend Melissa. She used to live here, not anymore. Okay. Yes.
Hello? Hello? Who's this?
Wait, okay. I don't know who that is. Cause like it was my friend Alyssa, like literally her number from her phone. So why is there a man picking up? That's not her dad. Her dad don't sound like an 80-year-old grandpa. I'm a little scared. Like they don't know my number because like I remember to put star 67, but that's a little creepy. Well, I forgot Kate is at work, so I can't really like do him again because I would. I'm gonna try Brianna one more time, just for the heck of it.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
She just does not want to pick up. Okay. Oh, I forgot that I had this on here. Okay. I'm gonna try one more. And if not, I'm gonna start calling random places. How long have I been filming for? I really have to pee.
Hello?
it seem more believable, because if I didn't put like one of my own sounds in there, they just know that it's like a video or a sound or something. But to make it more believable, I mean, you have to make a sound, right? Because if you're on the toilet. Anyways, that's all I'm doing for today in this video. I hope it was enjoyable. I know I'm gonna have fun editing this for sure. But if you guys liked this video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if you would like. If you like this, I could do more of these because I didn't want to do something boring, so this isn't boring. So if you guys like it, comment down below and tell me if I should do like another prank call video but with something else. This went in a good direction, so I'm pleased with this, and I'm gonna be even more pleased when I edit. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Also, there are children outside playing, so if you hear something, that's what it is. Bye.